I still can't believe 200 people subscribe to little old me. Welcome. I'm glad to have you. This is crazy. I figured I'd introduce myself, since I have a little audience or whatever. My name is Melinda Nicole. That is my real name. Born and raised in the Bronx. I currently reside in Charlotte, North Carolina. I've been here for about 8 years. I'm recently divorced. I have a 16-year-old daughter. Work full time, go to school full time. I am a Christian. I love the Lord. Like I really do. That's the homie. Taught myself how to do my locks, taught myself how to do gel tips, taught myself how to do my own makeup. Like I'm saving coins. So being self-taught, not having any prior experience doing locks, that's going to come with a lot of mistakes. And one thing about it, I'm going to keep it a buck. Holes in locks, absolutely. Interlocking a couple of locks together, absolutely. I mistakenly put a knot in one of my locks, thought it was smart to grab scissors, lost the whole lock. Lost the whole lock. Still kind of traumatized from that, no lie. Grid jacked up in the back. Losing locks because of stress. Losing locks from interlocking too tight. It's all on full display. When I initially considered doing my locks, the first place I ran was YouTube. I learned the interlocking technique. I learned about the tools that you should use to interlock. I learned about products like shampoos and oil. But with that, there were very few lock girlies keeping it 100. For about 3 months straight, YouTube and I were locked in. I subscribed to so many lock girlies, but there were only a select few who shared like the good, bad, and the ugly. I needed to see some failures so I would know what not to do. And there were only a few. If you are considering joining the tiny lock community, specifically micro locks, this is probably where you want to be. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I've only locked my hair. I am my one and only client. The information that I share is solely based on my hair texture, my hair type, the techniques that I use, the products that I use as well. So what may work for me may not work for you. So that's all I have for now. Again, I am so grateful. I am beyond grateful for the 200 plus subscribers that decided to click on that button. For me,